Hello everyone, welcome to Management Kaksha, a one-stop solution for all your management queries. In today's video, we are going to start with the Organizing function series. This is the second function of management. For those of you who haven't watched the Planning function series, please click on the link above. So let's get started with the Organizing function of management and discuss the meaning, definitions, and concept of organizing. Important questions for this topic will be shared at the end of the video, so hang in there. Meaning of organizing. Like we mentioned earlier, organizing is the second key management function after planning. Once the general and specific objectives of the organization are determined and the plan to achieve them is prescribed, the next step is to organize the activities of the enterprise with a view to work the plan and to fulfill the organizational objectives. Organizing can be defined as a process that initiates implementation of plans by clarifying jobs, working relationships, and effectively deploying resources for attainment of identified and desired results, which are the goals. Therefore, it is a process which coordinates human efforts, assembles resources, and integrates both human efforts and resources into a unified whole to be utilized for achieving specified objectives. Organizing is the managerial function, and the function of organizing is known as process of organization. Don't get confused with these two words. Organizing is a function, organization is a process. The basic essence of organizing goes somewhat like this. To organize is to harmonize, coordinate, or arrange in a logical and orderly manner. Definitions of organizing. Stephen P. Robbins and Mary Coulter are of the opinion that organizing is determining what tasks are need to be done, who is to do them, how the tasks are to be grouped, who reports to whom, and where decisions are to be made. Henry Fayol of the Administrative Management says that to organize a business is to provide it with everything useful to its functioning. That is the raw materials, machines, tools, capital, and personnel. According to Louis Allen, organizing is the process of identifying and grouping the work to be performed, defining and delegating responsibility and authority, and establishing relationships for the purpose of enabling people to work most effectively together in accomplishing objectives. Hence, we can rightly consider that organization as a function of management leads to creation of organizational structure with suitable personnel, designing specific roles to eliminate ambiguity, defining interrelationship among personnel for productive cooperation, clarifying authority and responsibility for results, and logical grouping of activities. Concept of organizing. Normally, organizing is known as a structure, process, a group of people, and function of management. To understand the concept of organization, it's necessary to define the following terms. As a structure. As a structure, organizing shows authority and responsibility relationship among the members. It is a static concept that cannot be changed easily and quickly. As a process. Organizing as a process refers to the identification and grouping of activities to be done, assigning duties to the people, creating authority responsibility relationship, and coordinating activities among the members and departments. It is a dynamic concept as the activities can be arranged and changed according to the requirements of the company. As a function, organizing is an important function after planning. The manager of the company organizes or collects resources such as manpower, money, material, machine, methods, etc. These are needed to put the action on track. Remember, without organizing function, it is not possible to move forward. As a group of people, organizing is the group or association of certain people created for certain specific economic or non-economic interests. In a nutshell, with organizing, the manager brings order out of disorder, removes confusion with respect to work and responsibility, and frames an ideal environment where all the members of the organization can work in tandem. The important questions asked for this topic can be as such. Which managerial function is used by a manager to determine how they will distribute resources, organize employees according to the plan? Answer is organizing. Explain the managerial function of organizing. Here you can write a short note on the meaning of organizing. Another question could be define organizing. You can write one or two definitions along with the author. Explain the concept of organizing as a process. Answer. In the next video, we'll discuss the features and basic elements of organizing, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such content.